Introducing my amazing model, Hannah Lane. My name is Steffan Tricoci, Regional Educator for L'Oreal Professionnel. Today I'm going to show you how to get this effortlessly undone style with the so trendy, so hot face framing bangs. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prep the hair utilizing next day hair to create this beautiful grit within the hair that's perfect to use my steam pod. The L'Oreal Professionnel Steam Pod is going to get you 2 times smoother, 2 times faster results with 91% less breakage. So I'm going through and just rolling some waves in there, utilizing that next day hair to create the effortlessly undone style. Something really easy, like she rolled out of bed and just looked this amazing. I'm utilizing fluidifier now on dry hair. I know it's a bit unconventional, but this is a beautiful product that's gonna help tame down frizz and create beautiful shiny braids. Fluidifier gives you 450 degrees thermal protection, 4 days of anti-frizz, and it reactivates with heat, which is so amazing if you decide to curl or flat iron your hair the next day. So to create the braids, I took out the signature piece, as we would call it at L'Oreal Professionnel, and through the front, you're going to create your braids. You're going to take 3 strands. You're going to go right under center, left under center, right under center. You're going to repeat that technique until you reach the chin area. Once you reach the chin area, you're then going to secure with an elastic. Once you've secured with your elastic, I have this really cool tool. You'll take a small piece of hair from the hairline, put it through this, and pull it through your elastic. Once through the elastic, pull on that piece of hair and secure the elastic a little bit tighter. What you'll notice is that it'll actually pull your braid to your hairline so it doesn't fall on your face all day long. What's really nice about this style is that any braid truly will work with this. It'll give you that boho chic, lived in, undone style that's perfect for any occasion, especially going back to school.